Today we are installing our heavy-duty decorative gate combo kit. For this installation, you will need a pencil, a drill, T20 drill bit, T25 drill bit, 5/32 drill bit, 1/8" drill bit, 1/2" drill bit, and a level. Start off by placing the first hinge on the top part of the gate frame. Using a pencil, mark the 4 holes. Using the 5/32 drill bit, pre-drill the marked holes. Using the T20 bit, use the provided screws to attach the hinge to the gate frame. Take the second hinge and line it up to the bottom of the gate frame. Using the pencil, mark the holes, pre-drill the marked holes, and attach the screws. Place some wood guides on the ground. Place the gate on the wood guide. Use a level to ensure the gate is level. Mark the 4 holes on the fence post and pre-drill them. Use the provided screws to attach the gate to the post. Moving down to the bottom, repeat the process. Remove the wood guides. Starting with the finger, place it at a comfortable height and attach the 2 screws. Align the catch to the finger. Mark the 4 holes and pre-drill. Using the provided screws, attach the catch. Unknot the string and tie it to the ring. Lift the top of the latch and mark where the hole meets the post. Using a 1/2" drill bit, drill the marked spot, making sure to go all the way through. Feed the string through the front of the gate to the back, keeping the ring on the outside of the gate. Pull the string to the desired length and tie it to the latch. Trim the extra string. Move to the front of the gate and place the handle at a comfortable height. Mark and pre-drill the 2 holes on the top and bottom. Attach the handle with the provided screws. Congratulations! You have successfully installed our heavy-duty decorative gate combo kit. Visit 𝗍𝗏𝗏iron.com to learn more.